Hi everyone, this is just crazy, and I'm not talking about my frozen G Fuel because I can't even drink it. I'm talking about my new baby, and I have like two babies right now. One is my electric skateboard, and this is gonna be my second one, and I'm gonna be sugar daddy of it. And yeah, I'm gonna feed you with sweet dust, baby. Okay, but for real, let's start this video and you will know what I'm talking about. But okay, you already know. Okay, yeah, sure, you already know what I don't care. I know you saw thumbnail, like, okay, I don't care, just watch this video. Thank you. Okay, so I bought today for about $80 from what I see $199, 60% off, but actually people are buying for like $160 from what I know. Doesn't really matter what I bought. Air purifier, yes. And it's graded with H13, like the newest Dyson from yesterday, I believe. Yesterday Dyson put new air purifiers that are actually graded H13, finally. And this is for 500 square foot. So yeah, it's very nice graded, HEPA filter. Let's unbox that. Here I have my special tool to open that, and maybe you will not see my address. If you did, I'm sorry for that. Then you can send me something nice, maybe fan art or something on my mailbox. I don't really know what you would like to send me, but if it's something nice, then I like it. Okay, but for real, there's the box for the actual air purifier. And why so cheap, you may ask? Why so cheap? I don't even know how this works. This is first of all. Second of all, it's refurbished. That's why. I can open it from this side, like so, and here two more. Oh wow, this is such a nice cable. Okay. I wonder if it's long enough, but I don't really need very long cable, so that's good. Let's see other things. Oh wow, is it really refurbished? Looks like brand new, like actually brand new. Here it is. It's not that big. I bought the one for 80. There was like smaller that can do like 250 square foot, I believe, but it was like 2 centimeters shorter, so like I can buy much better for almost the same price. And what I'm talking about, it looks like brand new. Like actually this thing, you can see how shiny it is. It's extremely shiny. It's like no one ever touched it. That's great for me at least. And it's 30 watts of power. Made in, you guessed it, China. I'm really curious how it works because I have so much dust in my room, like extreme amount of dust. Every day I'm waking up and I'm literally dying. I can't breathe. Like actually I can't breathe. I'm waking up at night all the time, also every week. Like maybe even more often than every week, maybe twice a week. I need to clean my room from the dust because so much dust all the time from nowhere. I don't even know how it is possible, but somehow it's happening. So I hope it will solve my problem. And you will know this for sure because I will post another video. Is there something else in the box? No. That's actually all. So let's see what I'm actually getting for 80 American macaronis, whatever, what is it? It's a money. It's a green thing. But yeah, so what is actually removing? Dust, hair, large particles. There is also second one that removes dust. There already is removing dust, the first one, so I'm really sure why it's second time, but alright. Pollen, smoke, germs, pet tendon. Okay, and third one, that is carbon filter, odor removal, and Vox and something else. I'll try to read this, okay? I'll try to read this. It's lesson time, guys. Formaldehyde. I don't really know. Hi Siri, repeat after me. Siri.
I'm an intelligent assistant, not a parent with beautiful plumage.
You're a fucking dumb bitch. What? Just shut. I'm so pissed off right now. She's trying to be smart while she's the dumbest assistant from all of the assistants. Like, excuse me? Okay, whatever. And they are saying that they are also removing certain bacteria and viruses. From what I know, it's not happening. How? How? That's interesting. So it also captures 99.97% and it means 0.3 microns. So it's like 30 times smaller than her. This thing? I'm not really sure. Maybe. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. You can put comment down below. And the last thing on the box, can clean a room up to 500 square foot, of course, every 30 minutes, or 250 square foot every 15 minutes. I'm not really sure about my room. It's very small room, so that means probably it can clean very well. That is exactly what I'm hoping for. Oh god, I can't even speak because of this dust. It's actually funny for me because when I'm in this room, let's say in a house, but actually in this room, I all the time need to drink something. I can't talk very well, it's so hard. Also my nose is locked right away. I can take those pills for allergy or something, but it doesn't work because it's a dust and stuff, so like how it will work. When I'm outside, I'm right away healthy, my nose is unlocked and everything, so I'm really hoping it will help me. So if yes, then it's like my baby, this thing. Okay, and here, if I open, wow, actually it's everything brand new. So like how it is refurbished, I'm not really sure. I love that. Here, and it's looked like this. Okay, and I'm not really sure how I should put this right now because I already forgot. I think this way because there is this pull tab. Okay, and it's looking like this. Now I should probably take the other side. So here's the other side. Also there's brand new filter, and I think I was right. It's exactly this way where the pull tab is. And also there's the fan, right? And two filters on both sides. And here's also the look, maybe if you can see the fan here inside. And it's probably taking air and then clears it and pushing out the good one. That's what I think, at least. I actually thought this carbon filter would be different, like sheet of carbon and not like carbon little things inside, but okay, maybe this actually catches something. But okay, now I will clean my room from the dust even better, the best I can, and then I will activate this filter and we'll see how loud it is and if it actually catching anything. So yeah, just give me a minute and I'll be back. So for you it's gonna be like 1 second. Love you. I decided that actually I will connect right now while I'm cleaning, so maybe even better to catch all this dust. And what I saw actually from here, air is blowing and here are the sides that are catching air, but I can't actually feel it that much, so that's one thing. Here's the actual port to connect to the power, and here is the touch screen you can see to turn on and turn off the device. I just need to press it a little bit and it's turned on. Here is all the modes you can see, little bit, medium and high. So this is how loud it is right now on the lowest. Now medium. Okay, and now let's put to the high. Wow, I can feel from here. Oh my god. And it's extremely loud right now, so probably it's cleaning very well air around my room. Let's lower to the lowest one, and actually I can use it as a fan probably in summer, which is funny because here I have one from Dyson. Okay, I took a light so you can see even better. I was cleaning this week, maybe like 4 days ago, and already there is dust, so much dust on here. Here you can see so much dust, and this dust is literally everywhere. And I was cleaning like 4 days ago. This is just sad, and I can't even use this Dyson no more because I just breathe even more dust. Because all the dust is coming even here, so yeah, it's not very good. So I will clean it, and I hope I will never see dust on this Dyson. Okay, so listen to me, Medify Air X. You'll be a good boy, and I will not return you. How about that? So I did turn off most of the lights, in fact, right now. So if I press it, boom. There's only this green light and everything dimmed. And again, everything is visible. Even more right now. Even more right now. Even more, and now it's dimmed. So I guess that's nice. And let's go to the biggest one. And I'll tell you if something changed. So I decided that I'm not gonna do another part because no one really gonna subscribe to my channel and see another part. So for that you can subscribe actually. So it's been around more or less 10 days with my air purifier. I will tell straight up, it's not really working like I was expecting. But does it work? I'll say yes. Is it actually working like I was expecting to work? No, it does not. I will tell you again like how it works, the filters, how much they catch in those 10 days. That is anyway flying around my room all the time. So you will see also around my room how everything looks like, and also my small opinion about this. I can't do review for sure about this because it's impossible, but I will tell you what I think. So first thing, this is tempered glass, this is not plastic, but what I want to show you is the fact that after 10 days I actually was cleaning this. No, I was actually cleaning this few times already, and it's been like 5 days or so, maybe 4, that I wasn't cleaning this glass, and you can see a lot of dust here. And it's funny because there are those filters, right? You can see right now maybe. Yeah, so here are those filters, those holes for the filter, and here you can see this thing I had for like 3 days, maybe 2 of them, and you probably can see already there's a lot of dust already, like huge amount of dust here and also here. And it's really funny for me because I was cleaning this thing before I put this machine here, because I really wanted to see how it's gonna be. But you can see it's catching so much dust. It's just sad. You can see I can do like this, and wow, yeah, it's just sad how much it's catching. Okay, and now fan speeds. I would say first one does not work at all, second one is a rabbit mode, and third one is airplay engine mode. It's really loud, and I will show it right now. Okay, so this is volume of my room. It's about 30 decibels. Right? Now I will turn on fan and we'll see how it's gonna be in first not working, second rabbit mode, and third airplay mode. So it went about 5 decibels. Let's go to rabbit mode now. Okay, let's say 52. And now let's go to the loudest one. Okay, so it went from 30, like you can see, 30, about 30, 31 to 80 decibels. So it's actually very loud, this machine. I can't really use it when I'm in this room because this fan is extremely loud. And the thing that I want to say first, of course, is the fact that I thought it's more like vacuum cleaner, let's say, that it's taking all the air really good, all this air, and there's like small fan that is just pulling like great air outside of this fan. So it's like here like vacuum, really hard, really good working vacuum, and here fan. And actually there's just fan, nothing else. It's just fan that is spinning, So it's like, let's say in summer you're using fan. It's not a great fan, it's just alright fan, let's say, to use. You can like live with this fan probably in summer. This fan, only this fan inside this machine is trying to pull the air from those sides, and doing such, it's trying to catch all the particles, dust and everything. Does it work? I would say hard no. It's literally not working at all to catch almost anything. So let's see the filters right now. Small correction. In the airplay engine mode, it's like maybe it's catching something because there's like little bit I can feel something, but I can see still like some particles just flying down and like, so it's not gonna even catch hair when this hair is, let's say here, it's just gonna fall. And on rabbit mode or not working mode, it's just not catching anything. There's like little bit of dust. Here's the biggest one, and just dust, like small amount of dust, nothing like really huge. For let's say 10 days, this is literally everything that this machine catched. That's all. And some quite funny part for me is the fact that there's dust in here even. So like, how is this filter even works? Because I'm not really sure at this point. And here's the other side. And also there is something that this machine catches. Okay, in 10 days I would say it's not the worst. Okay, it could be even worse than this, but I mean, is it really much difference here from here? Maybe a little bit difference, but like it's visible because this thing is very wide. I believe actually my Dyson probably got much more dust on it than this filter was trying to get. So here's the Dyson, you can see so much dust here, and I was cleaning this at second day, so it's like 8 days, maybe 7 days, and you can see how much dust is there. And also on top of the Dyson there's also so much dust here on my desk. Also so much dust, oh my god. If anyone is interested, here is dust on my HomePod. I know this video is extremely cool. Okay, and here you can actually see dust flying around my room. Actually, that's funny. Now, something that I seen in Thursday, then I realized it's not really true. So first, I thought that something is here like collecting in my throat, and in the morning I need to spit this out. I feel like it's a little bit better, but I'm not really sure if it is. And also my nose, it's like not really better. I still have most of the time one canal locked. So it's like working, but not really. Does it really work? I'm not really sure, but I'll leave this purifier only for the one really reason. It was because I actually didn't pay $160 or $200 for it. I paid like 80 bucks. So, and it's gonna be maybe really good for actually summer. So if it's gonna blow on me air, it's gonna be at least purified air. Let's say purified air, it's not really purified probably, and it's not really like working this machine from what I saw, but it's still better air than from just regular fan. So yeah, I would probably have this on my desk and it's gonna be great. Don't feel like it's really working, but let's say it is, and it's doing at least something. But it's not like vacuum that is trying to vacuum all the air inside. No, it's just fan that is like collecting air from the side, because actually fan need air to blow air, so like it's collecting all the air from the side and then it's like trying to blow this air out, like just like every regular fan, but this with HEPA filters on the side. Like, I guess cool. Okay, so this is all for this video. I'm not saying it's bad, you can buy it if you want this. I'm keeping this, so I guess it's doing something at least. And that's all for this video. Bye!